Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by identifying exactly what you have so the right driver is chosen. Open Settings to confirm your Acer model and Windows version, then Device Manager to read the display adapter name. Once done, make a restore point and back up any critical files. This protects you if the update misbehaves. Make sure you are on an account with admin rights and keep an Ethernet connection or strong Wi-Fi to avoid interruptions during download. You now fetch the matching driver. Accuracy matters. Search Acer support with your model or serial and confirm the GPU vendor, Intel, NVIDIA, or AMD, and pick the driver that matches your exact Windows build. Once you download the WHQL-signed package, close background apps, and temporarily disable non-essential antivirus to prevent installer conflicts. If the vendor offers a dedicated installer utility, use it, otherwise prepare to run the downloaded executable as You're at the finish line. Run the installer as administrator and follow prompts, choosing Express for most users or Custom to control components. After installation, reboot immediately so changes take effect, then confirm the new driver version in Device Manager and run a quick graphics test or benchmark to ensure stability. If performance or crashes appear, undo the change via Device Manager's rollback driver or restore the system point you made. Capture any error codes to troubleshoot further with support.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.